Get ready, start. Islamabad, the National Electric Power Regulatory Authority, NIPRA, on Monday imposed a rupees 100 million fine on Hyderabad Electric Supply Company HISCO for continuing excessive load shedding on commercial grounds, violating laws and regulations, full stop. New para. NEPRA had earlier fined HISCO rupees 50 million in April 2024 for load shedding based on aggregate technical and commercial ATC losses despite no shortfall in power generation, full stop. Hisco neither paid the fine nor halted the practice, instead appealing the decision, full stop. Following a show cause notice and legal proceedings, NIPRA ruled that filing an appeal did not exempt HISCO from penalties, full stop. The regulator ordered HISCO to immediately stop ATC based load shedding and impose an additional fine of rupees 100,000 per day from April 4, 2024, until complaints, full stop. Karachi, the country's auto sector, has raised strong objection to the draft Motor Vehicles Industry Development Act 2025, warning that instead of promoting growth, the proposed law risks stifling investment, inflating cost, and even criminalizing legitimate business practices, full stop. New para. Industry leaders argue the legislation was drafted without consulting stakeholders and hands sweeping powers to bureaucratic bodies, particularly the Engineering Development Board EDB, full stop. They warn that vague and punitive provisions could discourage investors at a time when the government is seeking stability and foreign capital, full stop. New para. One of the most contentious elements is the classification of routine matters, including recalls and warranty disputes, as cognizable offenses enforceable by the Federal Investigation Agency FIA, full stop. Automakers say this equates manufacturers with criminals and will undermine confidence, full stop. New para. Pakistan Automotive Manufacturers Association PAMA Director General Abdul Wahid Khan, in a letter to the Ministry of Industries on September 8, said the draft criminalizes manufacturing and trading activities without clear justification, adding that FIA involvement is deeply troubling, full stop. New para. He noted the law does little to strengthen consumer protection beyond the existing Auto Policy 2021 to 26 and instead threaten to push documented businesses into difficulties while leaving the unorganized sector unchecked, full stop. New para. The industry further pointed out that Pakistan already has multiple regulatory frameworks covering safety, quality and consumer rights, including the Auto Policy 2021 to 26, SRO 656, competition law, consumer protection laws, and the Import and Export Control Act, full stop. Local assemblers also comply with 17 international United Nations Economic Commission for Europe safety standards and are working to adopt more, full stop. Warranties, after sale service and recalls are already standard practice, they stress, full stop. Mr. Khan argued that the EDB does not have the facilities to issue type approvals or monitor thousands of workshops nationwide, full stop. Such provisions, he said, are impartial at best and open to misuse at worst, full stop. New para. For consumers, the law could also backfire, full stop. Automakers warn that additional complaints, cost, and red tape will drive up vehicle prices, while vague language such as significant risk or unfair contract terms leaves room for arbitrary enforcement, full stop. The industry emphasizes it is not opposing regulation but is calling for targeted guidelines and stricter enforcement of existing laws, full stop. Stakeholders argue genuine consultation with manufacturers, provincial governments, and consumer groups is necessary to close regulatory gaps without stifling growth, full stop. Citing Section 5, Mr. Khan noted manufacturers could not be held responsible for accidental accidents caused by reckless or untrained drivers who ignore basic precautions such as wearing seat belts, full stop. This section must be rephrased in consultation with the industry, he argue, full stop. New para. Similarly, section 9, which require a conformity certificate, duplicates existing practice since assemblers already issue COCS, full stop. Any post purchase modifications, such as tire changes or body alterations, should absolve assemblers of liability, he added, full stop. New para. PAMA also rejected provisions placing repair services under EDB oversight, saying the board lacks the capacity to regulate thousands of workshops, full stop. The roles of EDB staff under section 15, which allow undefined employees to exercise powers of the act, were also termed legally questionable, full stop. Mr. Khan argued the government to hold back the draft for appropriate scrutiny of its administrative aspects, and to remove provisions that criminalize industry operations, full stop. New para. The Monetary Policy Committee's decision to hold rates steady provided relief to investors concerned over the economic fallout from recent floods, inflationary pressures, and disrupted supply chains, full stop. The policy continuity signaled a wait and see approach amid broader macroeconomic challenges, full stop. Value hunting across key sectors led to widespread buying, helping The index recovered from Friday's sharp losses, which concern over the IMF program and weak economic growth had triggered full stop.